Force on current carrying loop in uniform magnetic field. So we already know that the force on a current carrying wire is I times PQ vector cross P, where PQ vector is line joining initial and final points. So if we take a closed loop in which the current is traveling, then if you take any point as starting, so that will be the P point, and you come back to it, and the same point will be the Q point also. So for a loop, PQ vector is 0. This implies that net force on loop is 0. So diagrammatically also you can see, if you break it into small segments, and let's say the B is inside the plane, then you can just see that all these vectors, small forces on these small particles will come out to be 0. So net sum of all these forces will be 0. Now if wire is flexible, then when B is turned on, so let's say initially the B is 0 and suddenly we turn on the B, then it will reshape into a circle. So you can already see that all these forces will pull it out and it will get reshaped into a circle. But since net force is 0, even during the transformation, so current in a loop is always 0. So it doesn't matter during transformation what shape it is in. So even during the transformation, net force is 0. Therefore, its center of mass will not move. So its shape will change, but its center of mass will remain wherever it is.